Leadership has become a popular term lately, but it's often used so much that it can lose its real meaning. Sometimes when people talk about developing leadership skills, they're actually just talking about making connections, and books about leadership development might just be about promoting themselves. But alongside this trend of trendy leadership, psychologists are working harder to find out what leadership really means through actual scientific research. Here are a few psychological ideas you can use to become a better leader. When we dig into the world of leadership psychology, we begin to appreciate the complexity of leadership. It's a very dynamic practice. To understand this, let's take a closer look at situational theory and trait theory. Situational theory emphasizes that effective leadership varies depending on the circumstances. Imagine a ship captain navigating through different weather conditions. In a storm, the captain needs to be decisive and authoritative to ensure the safety of the crew. However, in calm waters, a more relaxed and collaborative approach might be appropriate. This theory reminds us that adaptability is a crucial trait for a leader. Trait theory, on the other hand, explores the personality traits that may contribute to leadership effectiveness. Some people naturally possess qualities such as confidence, charisma, and empathy that make them stand out as leaders. However, it's essential to note that not having these traits doesn't disqualify you from becoming a leader. Leadership can be cultivated and developed over time. The beauty of leadership lies in its diversity. Just as there are different leadership roles, there are different leadership styles. Think of a conductor leading an orchestra versus a coach guiding a sports team. Both roles require leadership, but they manifest differently. As you embark on your leadership journey, remember that there's no single approach. It's about recognizing the unique blend of skills and qualities that make you an effective leader in your specific context. Leadership isn't confined to a specific time or place. It's a continuous process that takes place in various settings, both professional and personal. Understanding this concept is fundamental to becoming a better leader. Consider the story of Nelson Mandela. While he is widely celebrated for his leadership during South Africa's struggle against apartheid, his leadership extended far beyond his political career. Even during his 27 years in prison, Mandela continued to inspire and led through his unwavering commitment to justice and equality. This principle emphasizes the idea that leadership is not a role but a way of life. Whether you're a manager in a corporate boardroom, a teacher in a classroom, or a parent at home, your actions and decisions influence those around you. Leadership in your personal life is equally important. Your family, friends, and community look to you for guidance and support. The values and principles you uphold at home have a great impact on those you care about. Therefore, effective leaders understand the weight of their influence and strive to lead with integrity and authenticity in all aspects of life. The power of nonverbal communication in leadership cannot be overstated. Your body language, gestures, and posture convey messages that often speak louder than words. Let's delve deeper into the significance of these cues in leadership. A confident and open posture communicates self-assuredness and approachability. Picture a leader who stands tall with their shoulders back during a team meeting. This posture exudes confidence and invites engagement from team members. Maintaining appropriate eye contact demonstrates attentiveness and respect in communication. When leaders make eye contact, it signals that they value what the other person is saying. This simple gesture fosters trust and connection. Hand movements and gestures can emphasize key points and add clarity to your message. However, it's essential to use gestures purposefully and not distract from your message. Your facial expressions convey emotions and sentiments. Smiling can create a positive and welcoming atmosphere, while a furrowed brow might signal concern or focus. Leaders should be mindful of their facial expressions to ensure they align with their intended message. The impact of body language goes beyond the workplace. In social interactions, especially during networking events or social gatherings, your body language influences how others perceive you. Confidence can open doors to meaningful connections and collaborations. By practicing positive body language, you can enhance your leadership presence and make a lasting impression on both personal and professional fronts. Effective leadership depends on relationships built on trust, respect, and open communication. In the area of leadership psychology, the leader-member exchange theory sheds light on the importance of these connections. Imagine you're leading a project team. Your ability to establish strong individual relationships with your team members can significantly impact the team's performance. When team members feel heard, valued, and supported, they are more likely to be motivated in their work. However, fostering these connections requires genuine effort. It's not about being friends with everyone, but about recognizing the unique strengths and contributions of each team member. By understanding their individual needs, you can tailor your leadership approach to empower them to succeed. These principles extend to leadership in your personal life as well. Building strong relationships with family members, friends, and peers requires empathy and active listening. It's about being present in the moment and valuing the perspectives of others. As you navigate the complex web of relationships in both your professional and personal lives, remember that the bonds you form are the foundation of effective leadership. In the dynamic landscape of leadership, humility plays an important role. Understanding that leadership is a collaborative endeavor sets the stage for effective leadership. Consider a scenario where you lead a team of researchers in a scientific project. While your role involves guiding the team and making critical decisions, it's equally essential to acknowledge the insights of your team members. Effective leaders understand that they don't possess all the answers and value the diverse perspectives within their team. This concept of followership isn't limited to the workplace. In personal relationships, particularly in parenting, it's crucial to recognize that effective parenting involves listening to and learning from your children. Your role as a parent isn't just about imparting wisdom, but also about nurturing their growth and development. Moreover, humility allows leaders to admit mistakes and seek feedback. When leaders are open to constructive criticism and willing to learn from their experiences, they display the importance of continuous growth and improvement. This vulnerability can inspire trust and respect among team members, colleagues, and loved ones. By embracing followership, you create an environment where collaboration and innovation thrive. Leadership is not about building walls or promoting division. Effective leaders understand the significance of inclusivity and unity, going beyond the boundaries of us versus them. Imagine you're a leader in a diverse organization. Your role involves bringing together individuals from various backgrounds, cultures, and perspectives. Instead of highlighting differences, you should focus on shared goals and values. You should celebrate diversity and create a culture of inclusivity where every voice is heard and valued. In a world where polarization and division are common, exceptional leaders rise above these challenges. They strive to bridge gaps, promote dialogue, and seek common ground. This approach fosters a sense of cohesion among team members, colleagues, and society at large. Leaders who break down barriers also embrace change and adapt to evolving circumstances. They are agile and adaptable, guiding their teams through transitions and challenges with grace and confidence. Moreover, these leaders lead by example. They exhibit the qualities of empathy, compassion, and understanding, inspiring those around them to do the same. When leaders demonstrate a commitment to unity and collaboration, it sets a powerful example of teamwork and cooperation. To sum it up, the landscape of leadership is vast and complicated. While psychology doesn't offer a universal solution to leadership, it provides valuable insights and frameworks for understanding and improving leadership. As you embark on your journey toward becoming a better leader, remember that leadership is not confined to a specific role or setting. It's a continuous practice that extends to all aspects of your life. By embracing the nuances of leadership psychology, you can enhance your leadership presence, build meaningful relationships, and create a positive impact on those you lead. If you found this video insightful and want to see more, check out some of our previous videos and hit the subscribe button to stay connected.